program. I would like to invite Mr. Bante, Program Coordinator of the State Council of SNGI. And departments.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Good morning. My name is Shrishti Rai, and we are from me and my friend Shi. We are from St. Mary's College, and we are here to participate in the 5 days boot camp organized by SCSTE. And I hope we will learn a lot of things from all these things. As we and our team like college, we have been working on an AI project along with IT. So we want more people to know about it, and we also want to make our knowledge more grown, so that we can work into more deeper level and make some impact in the society. Like our basically our project, I would like to say about our project also is smart village movement, where farmers will be benefited. So we are trying to bring AI and everything, like how we will be learning it here. So we'll get more knowledge, and that will be very beneficial. We have a smart detection in our which we have trained using the ML part. We have trained them so that the farmers, they can detect the crop failure if they are something they have suspected something wrong in the plant or something in the canopy. They can take a picture and they can get a crop failure, whether it's a good crop or not. So we want our farmers to gain benefit, right? We don't want them to fall in under any circumstances where they have failures of crops and they'll be in a loss. Nobody takes that of that thing. We want the core level of our thing also, the farmers and everything also, to come up to the front and take the leverage of everything.
My name is Bandari Sabek Kharkangor. I am from MCA department of St. Anthony's College. It definitely has actually, but there's a lack of cooperation actually here. So I wish things were more cooperative. That's all. They have not really approached students, personally. So that's what I'm saying.
And do you think artificial intelligence should be in your curriculum?
Of course, definitely. It's a very prevailing idea in this world today, sir. Quite important since it's moving so fast. Everything is based on technology. Every field you go, every department, it's there.
First of all, introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Emerald Langston.
And you are from which college and which?
I am from the St. Mary's College. It has benefited us in many ways. We make use of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT-based projects for making a real-world projects, so that we can a prototype. We can use it in the real world to help the people in different problems they have regarding.
Do you think how important do you think AI is into this world?
As the development of technology, with the development of technology, as the days are coming, so people are getting into technology, so it helps in the development of a city, making it smart and efficient for
I'm Joseph, and I'm from St. Anthony's College.
Just tell me, do you think that artificial intelligence should be in your curriculum, and why it should be?
It should definitely be in the curriculum because it's one of the most growing fields right now. A lot of people are working on it, a lot of experts, and I believe we need to start learning from college itself.
Okay.